Are you fascinated by the world of trading and investing? Do you want to uncover the secrets behind successful trading strategies? In this video, we will explain the Dragonfly Doji candlestick pattern, its characteristics, and how you can use it to make better trading decisions. So, let's dive right in. First, let us understand what is a doji and how is it formed. What is a doji? A doji is a candlestick pattern that looks like a cross as the opening price and the closing prices are equal or almost the same. The word doji is of Japanese origin, which means blunder or mistake. That refers to the rarity of having the open and close price be exactly the same. What is a doji candlestick pattern? The doji candlestick pattern can lead to high profits in trading. The versatility of this candlestick pattern is appreciated by all types of traders for different time frames. It is a formation that occurs when a market's open price and closing price are almost exactly the same. How is the doji candlestick pattern formed? This candlestick is formed when the market opens and bullish traders push prices up where the bearish traders reject the higher price and push it back down. It could also be that bearish traders try to push prices as low as possible, and the bulls fight back and push the price up. The upward and downward movements that happen between open and close form the wick. The body is formed when the price is closes at or almost the same level as it opened. What is Dragonfly Doji? This pattern appears at the end of the downtrend and indicates a potential bullish reversal. The long lower shadow indicates that there was aggressive selling during the period of the candle, but as the price closed near the open, buyers were able to push the price back up. A Dragonfly Doji is not commonly formed. Thus, it is not a reliable tool for spotting things like price reversals. And when it does occur, it isn't always reliable either. There is no guarantee that the price will continue in the expected direction following the confirmation candle. It's also difficult to estimate the potential reward of a dragonfly doji. Other technical techniques like other candlestick patterns, technical analysis indicators, or strategies should be used with this candlestick pattern for making trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest trading insights. Remember to like and share this video. Until next time,